Did you know if you were beaten as a child, you have to live through this life as that 4-year-old child in an adult world, in an adult body? That's something that developed as you aged, and it's not going away except for Jesus Christ turns everything around and makes all things new. So what I'm trying to say is, did you know that even a abducted child at 4 years old can end up being somebody when they grow up? So if you've been through something, if you're going, the most important thing right now is that if you are going through something and you are a child and something's happening, speak up and tell somebody. Find that tell somebody moment where you feel safe enough to tell somebody, and do it at the first chance you get. The very first chance you get, tell somebody. And you just keep telling people until it stops. If it's not stopping, you haven't told the right person. Tell somebody else. Tell somebody. Keep telling somebody. And that's how it stops. But the healing journey, I'm still trying to figure out how to be a person. This happened to me at 4 years old, and I'm just still trying to figure out how to be a real person, how to develop thoughts into my heads and put together words that create sentences that can tell a story. Is a difficult thing for me to do in my head because of the alarm switches that were permanently installed in my system while I was being developed. Anyways, life gets better. And if you tell somebody, that's how it stops. And when you trust in Jesus, that's how life gets better.